And there you have it, a perfectly cleaned and seasoned cast iron skillet. So I decided to go ahead and do a quick video on how to clean your cast iron skillet once you've used it. Many people ask me anywhere I go, how do you clean a cast iron skillet? It's pretty simple really, and I'm going to show you. But I find a lot of people will not use cast iron because they're afraid to clean them. They think they're going to ruin them. They're not. It's easy. So if you've never used cast iron, or you have cast iron that you just don't want to use because you're afraid to clean it, I'm going to show you how simple it is. So I just made fried potatoes in a previous video. Check that video out. So here we go. First thing we need to do, hot water. So make sure your water runs as hot as you can get it. Basically just run this. Now never use soap in it. Now if you accidentally use soap in it, it's not the end of the world. Don't fret. A well-seasoned skillet can handle it. I just use this little tool I picked up at the grocery store. It's got that, and as you can see, I use it quite often. You just want to scrape the sides or any type of goo that's on there. Or if anything's stuck to it, just do that. I just take the brush side of it. There you have it. It is clean. So here's the cleaning part. As you can see, everything's off of it. Just run your fingers over it. Make sure you're not hitting any high spots. Next, you want to dry it. I use a microfiber towel for this. So I have designated microfiber towels for my cast iron. You just want to dry it nicely. And there it's dried. There you go. Next step, back to the stove. Now that we're at the stove, just turn your burner on to about medium, whether you're on an electric or gas, induction, whatever. Turn it to about medium. Let that pan come up to heat a little bit slow. And what you want to look for is you want to touch the side of it. Don't burn yourself. But if you can hold your hand there, your finger there, for 2 to 3 seconds, then have to pull it away because it's getting hot, then that's perfect temperature. About 3 seconds, it's starting to get pretty hot. So all you have to do then, turn the heat off. So what this does is heating up that skillet like that, that makes sure that everything is dry. All the pores are dry, and that's what you want. So I like to use grapeseed oil. So I just put a little dot in it. Okay, big. And you'll see it kind of dance around, so that oil will become hot, so watch your hands. And again, I just used another microfiber towel. Get around, get it all up on the edges. Just like that. Make sure you get the handle. So this does the inside. Make sure your handle's not too hot. That one's getting there. Then I just like to put a little dot on the back. And since this particular skillet has not been well taken care of in its life, and I picked it up in an old salvage shop and it was dry and nasty. We'll just give her a coat of oil on the back. Make sure you get everything. Handle and all. Now what we need to do here, let it cool down completely. Once it cools down completely, wipe it down again to where it just has a satin sheen, and it's done. And there you have it, a perfectly cleaned and seasoned cast iron skillet. It looks amazing. Thank you once again for tuning in to Cook It Simple with Eric. See you on the next video.